This is a fatal crash at the end of a pursuit. This is Century Boulevard and Normandy in southwest Los Angeles area. And apparently one person has been killed in this. It all happened at about 10:31. You see a heavy police presence there. It appears as if this was Gardena Police Department. Sheriff's Department was assisting in this. LA County Fires responded. They transported one person to the hospital, but another was dead at the scene. Again, this was a chase involving law enforcement that had a horrific ending there. We're not sure exactly the circumstances, but the car at some point lost control and hit that pole. We'll continue to follow this and bring you updates as we get them.